Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name is Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new camper that we've got in stock here at Grantham. We've managed to direct purchase this camper, and this camper was only converted in February 2020 by a company called Bespoke Campers. So this currently sits in our used range of our campers, but it is an absolutely fantastically well-spec'd, high quality of finish and really unique camper. So here's a good look at it. It's a white camper on a 2018 plate with the red trim that you see at the front there. You've got some red trim underneath the wing mirrors. You've got the Bespoke edition there with some side steps and these absolutely stunning red alloys. Short wheelbase camper with pop-top roof, and also you can see on there that it's already got roof bars fitted to it as well. You've also got a 3-bike bike rack on the back of this particular one, and the matching red has gone into the VW logo as well. And one of the other great features in this camper is the fact that it is also a tailgate. So wonderful finish on the cabinetry here with some white lockers and matching red trim going throughout. You've got some slider banners that you see here with access to various different components and parts there. One of the other fantastic features with this camper is the fact that with the camper has been left a Vango Airway Galley 2 drive-away awning and also a Sunstore freestanding solar panel. So that's all part of it, and all the necessary bits are with it. You see from the back here, these two are just a couple of bolster cushions that go on this rock and roll bed. You've got a blind functionality that you see at the back here, which is currently just clipped away a second. So you've got a fly screen that you see there. Coming down the other side of the camper as well, you've got a window one side, and you've got some fantastic LED lighting which really offsets and is dotted around the camper, as you can see there at the front and here on the side. First look inside as well is a really well looked after high quality finish on the fabric, and then a matching with the white and red trim going throughout. So you've got the duplex grill there, oven and grill. You've got a very large fridge, storage underneath. You've got a diesel heater already fitted to it as well. 2 gas hob burners on top here and a nicely tucked away sink. Your main command center located over here with your various switches, etc. You've got zip up on either side there, but one of the other great features is have a look at this roof. So matching to match the roof, and also looks fantastic when lit up as well. Little shelf and a little cupboard at the back there, and plenty of storage going throughout this particular camper. So your double swivel seat at the front here as well, and you've got a freestanding table that swivels round there, and you've also got a rail system allowing this bed to slide forwards. So it's got some amazing features, and they've really thought about the conversion that they've done on this particular camper. So going on to the inside of it, it's a trendline based vehicle. So you can see from the front here, you've got the reversing sensors. It's a manual 2 litre 102 brake horsepower. And you've also got cruise control as well with the matching fabric going into the front. At the top here, you've got the matching velvet red. And then going inside the camper, I'm just going to try and get a position where I can get this pop-top bed down. So if I pull the bed down here, that gives you, it's a little bit dark, but it gives you a feel for the space in the top of this pop-top, but it also gives you another look at the high quality of finish on this matching pop-top up here as well. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of information, just a short flavour of what this camper has to offer. We're really proud to have this in stock because the converters of this camper have done an absolutely fantastic job. If you've got any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us and we'd be more than happy to help you. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch the video, and we look forward to doing business with you. Bye bye now.